we're driving it to the back of the garage so you can park it for the night.
This garage?
Well, around the back of this back garage door.
I have to do this first.
No.
Just push it down and then let it go. Don't pull it up. Yep, just like that. Now step on the pedal.
But it won't go.
Pick your foot up and step all the way on it. There you go. Push. Bring it up. You're going over to that garage door. So you gotta turn that way. There you go, now straighten her out. Other way. Keep going. There you go. Push.